In South Africa, debt is crippling families because most people don't know that they can reduce and/or write off any unsecured debts that they can't afford, often up to 63%. We are on a mission to help 100,000 people across South Africa become debt-free. More and more of us are living with financial stress, and it's affecting our relationships, our family experiences, and our well-being, but it doesn't have to weigh us down. Getting control of debt may seem scary, but one conversation can change everything. We've created an easy-to-use debt relief survey to help people find out how much they could reduce and/or write off. It's free and takes less than a minute. Lydia discovered she could write off 52,000 Rand of debt, paying back only 10,000 Rand. Gavin had 112,522 Rand of debt because of taxes and credit cards, but he only had to pay 45,000 Rand. And Debbie owed more than 400,000 Rand, but had it reduced down to just 110,000 Rand, and also saved her car and house from repossession. Across South Africa, millions of people are struggling with their debt, but there is help. See, most of us struggle because the system is just working against us. Interest rates and penalty fees are designed to keep us in debt, and that's why we need help from experts who can use the system in our favour. They can stop interest collection action, reduce payments, prevent harassing phone calls, and avoid repossession and bankruptcy. So tap the Learn More button to take the free assessment, and by this time next week, thousands of rands could be reduced and/or written off, and monthly payments reduced to a level that can be easily afforded. Tap the button now to get started.